Good morning, my dears. It's your English class. It's your online class. Shall we go to the class, ma? Okay, thank you. Here, before going to the class, what is your first and foremost duty? What is it? Prayer. What is it? Prayer. Let us pray. First, close your eyes, all of you. Thank you. Sit directly. நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியை. நான் உங்களுக்கு தாயாகவும் தந்தையாகவும் இருந்து அன்போடு முறையான கல்வியை போதிப்பேன். ஓகேம்மா, தேங்க்யூ. ஓப்பன் யூ ஐஸ், all of you. Open. Yes. Here, before going to the lesson, let's we know about the meaning of the words. Okay, va? Let's we know about the meaning of the words. Okay, la? Don't need not to take your book now. Just listen it. First one, what is it? Sack. What is it? Sack. A large bag used for storing goods. Okay, va? We have seen it. Where? Very good. We have seen it in the poem My Robot. It keeps all the things in a sack, isn't it or not? Okay, so here sack you mean a large bag, then rack you mean a stand. Okay, well, first you mean a sack, you mean a large bag. Rack you mean a stand. Rack you mean a stand. Then humanoid. What do you mean humanoid? Something that looks like a human. Something that looks like a human. Can you tell me the examples for humanoid one? It is given in the picture. You know it. Second one is robot. Isn't it or not? It is like a human being. So it is a humanoid machine. Okay, wow. Now what about the first one? We have seen it in the forms. Isn't it or not, ma? We have seen it in our forms. It is scarecrow. What is it? Scarecrow. SCARECROW. Okay, scarecrow. That you mean? It is something looks like a human. You can see it in the picture. These are the example of humanoid things. Okay, first one, sack. What do you mean sack? A large bag. Very good. What do you mean rack? Stand. Rack and stand. Third one, humanoid. Human, you have the hint. Okay, humanoid na something that looks like a human. What do you mean humanoid? Something that looks like a human. Then expo. What do you mean expo? A large international exhibition. A large international exhibition. Here, what is the first word? Sack. What do you mean sack? A large bag. What do you mean rack? A stand. What do you mean rack? A stand. What do you mean humanoid? Something that looks like a human. What is the example of humanoid? Robot, scarecrow. Then expo. What do you mean expo? A large international exhibition. Okay, shall we move to the class, ma? Now take your book, all of you. Take your book. Take a page number 76. Take your English book. Get your page number 76. Take it now. Okay, here, before going to the class, I will explain you what is the story about. Okay, here you got the story, The Trick Robot. What is it? The Trick Robot. Okay, so here is a conversation. Here is the dialogue between a robot and the small boy. Okay, what about the small boy? What was his name now? His name was Vicky. What is the name of the small boy? Vicky. What is the name of the small boy? Vicky. 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 Okay, here is the conversation between Vicky and the robot. Okay, so here who is the main person in this story? Vicky. Who is the main person in this story? Vicky. Okay, so what do you mean robot, I already told you. What do you mean robot? It is a It is a machine. Okay, ma. Before going to the lesson, let's we discuss about the difference between human and a robot. Only three different number of differences are there between human and a robot. Let's we discuss the important one. Okay, ma. Okay. What are all we made of? What are all we made of? We made of flesh and blood, isn't it or not? The human being made of flesh and blood. Okay, well, then what about the robot? It is made of metal. I told you in the first stanza of the poem. It is made of metal. We made of flesh and blood. That robot made of metal. Then next one, we can think and have emotions. What do you mean emotions? That you mean glad, happy, anger, isn't it or not? If you got a first prize, you got happiness, isn't it or not? If you get something, if you get surprised by someone, that is a surprise. It is an emotion. Okay, va? So we have emotions, we have feelings, we can think. But what about the robot? Whether it has any emotions? No, it takes only orders from their master and do it. Isn't it or not? It takes only orders and do it. Okay, then we, the human beings, can eat, isn't it or not? We can eat, we can eat all the things, but for the robot it cannot eat. Robot can robot eat, ma? No, the robot cannot eat. It will be charged. It is to be charged, isn't it or not? It has charged a battery. It is worked out of a battery. Okay, then who create a robot? Human create robots. Who create robot? Human create robots, but a robot cannot create human beings, isn't it or not? So human create robots, but robot cannot create humans. Okay, these are the differences between human beings and robot. We made out of flesh and blood. Here the robot is made out of metal. We can think, we have emotions, but the robot cannot, don't have that. Okay, we human create robots, but robots cannot create any human being. Okay, now take your book, come to your page number 77. Keep a finger on that line. Okay, here Vicky was the trick robot. The trick robot. What do you mean trick? Is there any idea? Wait, I will tell you the meaning of trick hereafter. Okay, ma? So, the trick robot. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept things back in the right place. Here you have the word lazy. What do you mean lazy? Not ready to do any work. Not ready to do any work. Okay, so here a boy is there. What is the name of the boy? Very good, Vicky. What is the name of the boy? Vicky. How was the boy? He was a lazy boy. He was a lazy boy. What do you mean lazy? Not ready to do any work. Okay, simply seated or simply sitting and doing nothing. Okay, so that is not active. Not active. Who was a lazy boy here? Vicky. Okay, there was a boy. What was his name? His name was Vicky. How was he? He was a lazy boy. So what did he do now? He never did his homework on time. Okay, va? He never did his homework properly. Okay, va? In the morning time, like in the school days, some children out there, they will do like this. Isn't it or not? In the morning time, they only taking that diaries and homeworks and they just scrabble something in the homework note and they got sign from the parents only in the morning. Isn't it or not? Not you, ma. Some children are there. Okay, like that. Here Vicky was a lazy boy. He did not do his homework on time properly. He never kept his things in a things back in the right place. Here, look at the picture. You can see that lazy boy here. He is lying on the bed. He did not keep any things on the right place. Is he keep any things? No, he is not keeping any things on the right place. That is Vicky, the lazy boy. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. So here what happens then? Vicky's father felt sad for his son. Okay, because he was too lazy. He never did any work. So he became vexed. Okay, he became sad. Who became sad? Vicky's father. Okay, at the same time, here you have the word pleaded. What do you mean pleaded? Requested. So here Vicky requested his father. Okay, what did he request? You may ask. Here he requested his father to buy a robot. What is the purpose of buying a robot here? Is there any idea? Very good. He was a lazy boy. He can't do any work. So instead of him, he want a robot to do his work. Is it correct, ma? Is it correct? Who should do your work? Very good. You should do your work. Isn't it or not? But here Vicky was a lazy boy, so he wanted a robot to do his work. Is it correct? Yes, of course not. Okay. Robot you mean a machine. You know it. Robot you mean a machine. Okay. So here come to the next line. Keep a finger on that line. So he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to do all his work. Okay, so what happened then? Here let's we know the meaning first. Here you have the meaning trick. What do you mean trick? A cunning act to cheat. A cunning act to cheat. Which animal is known for trick? Is there any idea? You have learned in the lower classes which animal is known for trick. Very good. What is it? Fox. What is it? Fox. You know the story. Can you recall the story, ma? Can you recall it? What is the story? The fox and the crow. Can you recall it? What is the story now? Once upon a time, there was a grandma. She was preparing vada. Then at that time, a crow flew in that way. The crow wanted to eat the vada. So the crow, what did it do? The crow took a vada without the knowledge of grandma. Without the knowledge of grandma. It flew away and perched on that you mean sat on a branch of a tree to eat the vada. Isn't it or not? Can you recall the story, ma? At the time who came there? A fox came there. He wanted to eat that vada with his tricky knowledge. Isn't it or not? Tricky, you mean a cunning act. With his cunning mind. Okay, va? So what did he do? The fox started to cajole the crow. Isn't it or not? Cajole you mean you are looking so beautiful, like that. The fox is saying, you are looking so beautiful. How could your voice is too sweet. I want to hear a song from your voice, isn't it or not? The fox is telling how beautiful you are. That's cajoling. That fox is cajoling the crow. After the cajoling of the fox, that crow, what did he do? It mesmerized by the words by fox, isn't it or not? So it started to sing a song. When he opened his mouth, which fell down. Very good. The vada fell down. The tricky, the cunning fox took the vada and ran away from the place. Isn't it or not? Can you recall the story, ma? So, which animal is known for tricky act? Fox. So, when you when you see that word, you have to remember the meaning of the word. You can recall the story. Okay, ma? So, what do you mean trick? A cunning act. What do you mean trick? A cunning act. Can you understand the story, ma? You have learned it in your lower classes. Isn't it or not? So here trick you mean a cunning act. Here who is cunning? Is it grandma? No. Is it the crow? No. He just cheated. Isn't it or not? Then is it a fox? Yes, it is a cunning fellow. Isn't it or not? By his cunning mind, with his tricky mind, he cheated who's that crow and it ate the vada. Isn't it or not? Okay, come to the point. Come to the trick robot again. Don't stand there in the vada story. You come here, ma. Here you have the trick robot story. Okay, come to the point. Next one is glad. What is the meaning of glad? Happy. What is the meaning of glad? Happy. Okay, this is a kind of a emotion. Okay, ma. Given picture you have some emotion. Glad, that you mean happy. Sad, mad. Mad you mean angry. Okay, these are emotions. Here, let's see know about the story again. So here, his father, Vicky's father, bought him a trick robot. Okay, that you mean cunning robot. You may ask, is it like a fox? No, of course not. By his act, it stands for the word trick. Okay, so Vicky did not know it was a trick robot. Vicky don't know that, doesn't know that it was a trick robot. He was happy he was happy to have such a robot to do his works. Okay, let's recall the lesson again. What is the heading? The trick robot. Who was a boy? Vicky was a boy. How was he? He was a lazy boy. He was a lazy boy. He did not never do his homework on time. So he never kept his things on a place. Okay, right place. Then he requested his father to buy a robot. His father felt sad about his son Vicky's laziness. So he wanted him to buy a trick robot which was going to teach him a lesson. Okay, then Vicky did not know that was a trick robot. Whatever it may be, Vicky was happy about the robot. Vicky was happy about the robot. How nice it would be. You think yourself. You think yourself. Instead of you, someone is doing your work now. How nice it would be. Isn't it or not? Is it correct? No. Whatever it may be, we should do our work. We should do our work. We do not expect anyone to do our work. Okay? Yes. Let's go to the lesson. Come to the point. Come to the page number 77 again. The trick robot. The trick robot. Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Enjoy. Here it is a conversation between Vicky and Vicky's father and the robot. Here Vicky's father, he is saying, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Enjoy. So here Vicky, listen, look at this robot. I have bought you some robot. So keep it with you. Enjoy your day. Okay, Vicky's father bought Vicky a robot to do his works. Okay, next one. What do you mean intelligent? Clever. What do you mean intelligent? Clever. Who was clever here? The robot. The robot. So here Vicky's father bought Vicky a robot. Isn't it or not? How was the robot? It was clever. It was clever. How was Vicky? He was lazy. He was lazy. So here who was happy about the robot? Vicky. Okay, next one. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad. Okay, so here let's know the meaning of first. Excited. What do you mean excited? Thrilled. Okay, so you think of yourself. You have got your robot now. You will be excited. That you mean you will be thrilled. Okay, you get to know he wanted. Okay, then salad. What do you mean salad now? A mixture of uncooked vegetables in abroad, foreign countries, in other countries, they eat a salad as their breakfast. Okay, so salad you mean a mixture of uncooked vegetables. Okay, so here Vicky is excited to test. Okay, he want to test that robot. Okay, so what is the first work given by Vicky na to make a salad? Okay, Vicky asked that robot to make him a salad. What do you mean salad? A mixture of uncooked vegetables. Okay, listen, look at the picture. How is he seated? How is he lying? Okay, he was lying on the sofa relaxedly. Then he is relaxed. Then he is ordering that robot. Hey, go and make me a salad. I feel hungry. Then he is ordering the robot. But that robot is telling, no, I do not eat salad. Okay, we know it. Can robot eat? No, it will be charged. It is to be charged. Isn't it or not? So that is telling, I do not eat salad. So I cannot make the salad. If I want, I make myself. If you need, you just go and make yourself. That is robot is saying, I cannot eat salad. So I do not make salad. Okay, then come to your page number 78, What? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now. Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Okay, here. Again, first work. What is the first work given by Vicky? To make a salad. To make a salad. Here, the next work. So, okay. Vicky was giving the second work. What is it now? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room. Second work is cleaning his room. Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Okay, here let's know the meaning first. Refuse you mean disagree or reject. Okay, disagree or reject. Then strain you mean force to do with a great effort. That you mean giving a physical effort. Okay, make a physical effort to do something. Make a physical effort to do something. Okay, so here the boy, who was the boy? Vicky. Okay, Vicky after saying that, after the After hearing the refusal of Robert, he became angry. Oh, I am your master. You cannot disobey me. That you mean you cannot refuse my orders. Go and clean my room. Like that, Vicky is saying. Okay, you cannot refuse me, my dear Robert. You just go and clean my room. He is giving that second work. But here the robot, whether it did his work? No, it did not want to strain. What do you mean strain? To make a physical effort. Okay, so it did not want to strain his body. So it cannot. He just refused that also. First work, making of a salad. The robot refused. Second work, cleaning a Vicky's room. That also refused by the robot. Then come to your next one. Really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls. Okay, here Vicky got more and more angry. You can see it in the picture. Vicky got angry. First he was glad when he got the robot. But after the two orders, after the two refusals, he became angry. Oh, really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. He gave a next work. What is that work? Charge his phone. Please charge my phone. He is telling. That time, whether it accepted the order by Vicky. No, he also refused that work also. Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls. Okay, ma. So here the robot is saying, go and charge your phone yourself. I want to make some calls. Okay, ma. So he refused that work also. First work making a salad. Robot refused that. Then second work is cleaning Vicky's room. That also refused by a robot. Third work, charging Vicky's phone. But the robot refused that also. Is it correct, ma? Vicky's behavior, is it correct? No. Let's see, know the result, conclusion. Yes. Next one. I have a headache now. Get me a cup of tea. My battery is draining up listening to you. First, you charge my battery. Okay, ma? Here, Vicky is not at all tired. He gave that robot the fourth work. Okay, va? He gave the robot the fourth work. Okay, well, let's know the meaning of first. Draining, you mean dry up. Okay, va? Dry up. So, here becoming empty. That you mean becoming empty here. Okay, va? So, here what happens there? Yes. Here he got after the getting angry by the robot, he got a headache. Who got a headache? Vicky. Who got headache? Vicky. Okay, ma. So I have got headache. Just go and get me a cup of tea. Okay, that was the fourth work. So what was the first work given by Vicky? To make a salad. Whether it do it? No, it refused that. Okay, ma. Second work, cleaning Vicky's room. Third work, charging Vicky's phone. Fourth work, making a cup of tea. Whether the robot accepted all the orders? No, it refused all the orders. It refused all the orders. Okay, after this, who got tired? Vicky was tired. Okay, let's know what happened next. Tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, let us continue that story. Okay, okay, ma. Here, let us recall the story. What is it? Lesson? The trick robot. The trick robot. What do you mean by sack? Sack you mean a large bag. Sack you mean a large bag. Rack, a stand. Rack, a stand. What is the name of the boy? Very good. Vicky. What was the name of the boy? Vicky. How was he? Very good. He was a lazy boy. He was a lazy boy. He never did his work on time. Okay, so what did he want? Very good. He wanted a robot to do his work. So he requested his father to buy him a robot. But who felt sad? Vicky's father felt sad of Vicky's laziness. Okay, so he bought him a trick robot. What do you mean trick? I told you. What is it? What do you mean trick? Cunning. What is it? Cunning. Which animal is known for tricking act? Fox. Okay, so here his father, Vicky's father, bought him a robot. Okay, first at the starting Vicky was very happy. Vicky was very happy to get the robot. After getting the robot, he wanted to test the robot. He gave 4 works. First work is cooking the salad, but the robot refused that. What is the second work? Very good. Cleaning his room. The robot refused that also. What was the third work? Charging Vicky's battery. That also rejected by Vicky. Robot. Fourth work. Making a cup of tea. Making a cup of tea. That was also refused by a robot. Is it correct? Is it correct? The Vicky's behavior, ma? Is it correct? No. We should not expect others to do our work. Okay, ma? Let us continue the story in tomorrow's class. Now it's your homework time. Come. What is your homework now? Poem 1. What is it your poem 1? My robot. Third stanza. It has wheels, go front and back, go front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. That stanza write 2 times and read well. Okay, so what is it? It has wheels, go front and back, front and back, front and back. Watch now how it keeps the sack in every little rack. Okay, so read, write 2 times and read well. Your TBR is 77, the trick robot page number. Okay, after the class is over, you take your book in your hands and read that 77 page number at least 2 times. Okay, now you have another work. What is your work now? Project work. Okay, what is it? Project. What is your project now? Draw a robot and color it. Okay, I have given you a sample robot. It is if you don't have a robot picture now, you can see the robot and draw it. Or else you can use your creativity there in the project. Okay, so take a paper. Don't compel your parents to do buy your A4 sheet or something else. Take a paper which is good, which is in good condition. Take a paper, write the heading English project. Write the heading like this. Draw a robot by yourself. Don't depend on anyone. Here, that lesson. What is that lesson? You should do your work. You should not expect anyone to do your work. Okay, so draw a robot by yourself and color it well. Okay, a good project will be rewarded soon. Okay, so here take a paper, draw a robot and color it well. When should you submit it now? You can have the time up to Friday, Thursday. Okay, you take 3 days, draw a robot and color it well and take a picture of your project and send it to me. Okay, I will correct it and give you some stars. ஓகேங்களா? So what is your homework? Poem 1 stanza 3. Here what is your project work? Draw a robot and color it, submit it in the next class. ஓகேங்களா? That is not necessary now ma. ஓகேவா? You take your own time, take 3 days time, and in the Thursday class you can submit your projects that will be posted in my class. ஓகேங்களா? Then okay, here don't compel your parents to do, buy things like A4 sheet, sketch, whatever you have, you just do your project with it. Okay, well, that's enough. It should be neat and clear. That is enough. Okay, write don't forget to write your name there in the project. While you are writing your homework, please write neatly, write the date, write the subject, write the heading, and after your homework draw a line. Okay, thank you ma. Let's be see in tomorrow's class.